Hello guys and welcome today's adventure, and this Saturdays today we are playing a more than warship today. So yeah, okay, 12 seconds now, so I'm gonna put remove over here. This is more perfect. Okay, it's kind of long though, so okay, here goes. I do want a battleship, so today I want to go inside this game. Tap it, go ahead, come on. Okay. Go! Oh, come on, yeah, come on. Oh, I think this is it. As you can see, I only want to get to daily wisdom. So, what should I do? Okay, I do like this. It's gonna take a few while there. My game kind of stuck. Anyways, and let's go inside Battle of Warship. It's my favorite game, by the way. As you can see, I have a new ship today update, and new ship update. I got my own ship, my favorite so far. Not that Dunker Q again. It's different. It's blue and American. Okay, let me show you. Here we are. Wait, no. Oh, there it goes. This is called South Dakota. It's my favorite ship so far because you know what? Everyone likes this ship. Today I want to show you to play this game, and by using South Dakota, or I can show you my thing and my huge ship. It's kind of awesome though. We have a huge, you have a it's my favorite so far. Okay, so South Dakota, it's just awesome. So even awesome is, it's this. What is it again? Mahan, USS Mahan. It's the premium ship. Also, Dunker Q is the premium ship too. So this is the 2, so it's only I don't know, but this one, let's have a, what is that again? Sky Ace aircraft. So this one have 2, so I'm gonna go workshop to see it. There's a new plane only. Wait, there is. What's this? 900. Oh my gosh, is that a Wildcat? Oh, it is a Wildcat. Wow, I like to like. Or is that Hellcat? Also, this is a German plane. Doesn't though. So I want to go back and look at my ship, bros. I only play round. Okay, I only played 2 rounds. Okay, so I used 2 ships to battle. Also, Dunker Q ran out of ammo when let's go to watch the upgrade. Okay, yeah, I have full HP, so I want to try to start up HP full and damage more. But okay, let's connect it. It's kind of long, but I only play full round. 1 ship and 2 rounds. Okay, that makes it 4 rounds. It's just like a frozen skull. I didn't see any skull. I think the rock artist. It took a few while. Come on. Okay, here goes. Okay. Did I start out? No. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so I'm nearby a Fletcher. I could change. It was the Fletcher. It's only the Fletcher we're talking about. So it's easy to kill because it's tiny. So we start 4 minutes now in what's I score? Player PC. Oh, you player PC? I think it's not. Oh, is it PC? It's player Z. Where is it? I think that's 7. Oh. Oh, you're so poor in me. Oh, you got damage. Oh, it looks like Fletcher killing you, so he's gonna kill me too. Oh my gosh, we got 3 of them. Well, I can reach now. Here it goes. Okay, it's gonna reach that. Oh, easy. Oh, he's it. It's 9 damage. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, you are burning. Oh, I think I got damage too. Maybe. Oh my gosh, somebody got a kill. Reg. I didn't reach it. Okay, I think they sound like that. Damage. I think somebody wanna focus on me. So I have to be focused. Just gonna slow this. Get him. Oh, okay, somebody here. He's hitting to me. No, please don't do me, no. Oh, the full lecture. Yes! Wait! Yeah, I killed him. Ah, that's amazing. Is that my plane or it's not? I think it's yours because you used it. He's killing me! Get focused, there's so many. Boy, I got 20 damage, that's amazing. Lucky. Oh, it's gonna reach me now. Okay, I focus. Okay, oh no, I sealed them. So they might be on the other side of this ledge. So I can, oh, it's there, it's there. Lump it. Wait, is that? Come on. It's a shit. Come on, again. Why you always come here? I don't need your help, your Instagram. I don't need your help. Okay. Alright, guys. Gonna kill him. Definitely gonna die. I promise I only got 4. Wait, I don't. Oh no, I'm not. Okay. Kill me, you do. Come on, kill me. Don't kill me. Only one round, maybe. I'm tired to play this game. Anyway, so I reached to level, I think 50 now, so let's continue. Okay, let's get out of here and, you know what, I'll play another game like Step and Party Warplane. I think Warplane is better. I like Warplane, my favorite. On that game, yes, of course, it's 7 minutes now. I think I make a live or something. Well then, I have to wait a few hours. Okay, here we are on the dogfight. Pilot. Be a pilot. Pilot and upgrade plane. Be a pilot till on upgrade plane. So that I don't want to be that one leader, squadron leader. I want to be this one. Just have a full switch between target. Stick forever. So I have a lot of gold now. Every time I got this gold in the 5 times. And twice. Oh wait, look at this mission. Okay, so...
Hi! Do you want to trade with a trusted broker? Okay. Try OctaFX. There are 3 simple steps for you to become a trader. First, download the app OctaFX Trading. Second, create an account and register. Third, deposit at least 100 Malaysian ringgit and start trading. Download and create an account with OctaFX Trading now.
Okay, let's back to the video. Okay. My little brother always spotted me at playing this game because I don't want to give him to play with me. So let's go in the France River. I think this is the Germany. I think, or another natural. So I'm this skin now. Oh no, that's the mission.
Attention, squadron! Destroy enemy AA vehicles. Engage all enemy fighters. Destroy the enemy ammo convoy. Engage all enemy fighters. You're the best we've got. We know you can handle it.
destroy the bridge. There's 3 more. I'm gonna kill ya.
Rocket away! Artillery down! Standing by for orders.
Okay, so we need this spawn, boy.
I'm hit! I'm hit!
Looks like the convoy boys here. Oh, looks like I need to kill all these enemies so I can get more rare things.
I got him!
Let's go. I have 20 rockets.
On the way! AA vehicle destroyed! Dropping bombs! Truck destroyed! Objective completed. One step closer to victory. Standing by for orders.
I don't have any bomb left, so I have this guy. So what we can do is destroy this with my bomb. Is there anyone nearby? Oh, there is. Can I reach that?
On the way! AA vehicle destroyed!
Wait, there's 21 enemy fighters. Oh my gosh, I think there's 7 wings. And there's 3.
He's firing at me!
Okay, let's use our rockets, but only got 2. So.
I'm focusing on this one. Rocket away! Escort is eliminated. Standing by for orders.
I heard.
I'm closing in for the shot. Good kill! Enemy fighter going down in flames.
There it is.
I got it! Target acquired. I'm hit! I'm hit! Firing rockets! That's it for the escort. They're down. Bailing out. I received heavy damage. AA vehicle destroyed. Target acquired. Target out of action.
How many left? There's so many.
Firing rockets. Target eliminated. Objective completed.
I want to kill this guy.
Target acquired. Firing rockets. Truck out of action.
Okay, I'll take
Waiting
this guy.
orders.
Looks like that one leaving. Wow, how easy is this thing? Oh, come on, not again! I don't need your help, you're stupid. Instagram, I didn't need you. Yes.
Enemy locked on. I got him.
He hurt me a lot. Oh my gosh, let's restart back. He's freaking hurt me a lot. Okay, so let's heading back to base, by the way, so we can go so we are going to inside this game, so we have to get all these changed into a lot of bomb. So let's try this guy. Have 8. And next one have a 5. Where's the other? There's no other bomber. Okay, it looks like they have a bomb rockets that was. So okay, that's a launch. So 17. No! Okay, so we gotta go use another mission. Okay, protection destroyer, okay. No problem, I can use this big boy. This brought more damage than expected, but they must be more difficult.
Boys, command is sending you on a special mission. We know you can do it. Protect our destroyer. Destroy all enemy bombers. Destroy all enemy fighters. Give them hell, boys. You're up.
I need torpedoes, yeah, I need torpedo. Torpedo for the ocean mission. Okay, so we need this guy. Have a torpedo. Have a torpedo. And you too, sir. Okay, so we have what now? Is it change your change bomb? Bomb. Is it enough? Okay, it was. Okay, let's go start our double.
Hai semua, berikan soalan-soalan anda tentang pelaburan pada 18 April ini dan pada 20 Jun, pemenang soalan terbaik akan diumumkan di YouTube channel Otak FX.
I was helping my little brother. A lesson. Okay. We can start now. We can start now. Freaking game. You know what?
Squadron leader, stand by for your new orders. Destroy enemy AA vehicles. Engage all enemy fighters. Destroy the enemy ammo convoy. Engage all enemy fighters. You're the best we've got. We know you can handle it. Godspeed. We're on it.
This is gonna be more difficult. Okay, let's do this. I can do this. I'm a big boy. I'm brave bombers.
Vehicle destroyed. On the way. Target out of action.
Okay, this last one, it's 6, so I can use it. Oh, come on. Where's that? Okay.
Target in my sight. for destroy. Mission critical target destroyed.
That's just
Waiting
this
orders.
big boy. There's so many bombers. Oh my gosh.
Enemy down. I'm on it. He's on to me.
Wait, Kai? Kai joined.
Good kill. Enemy fighter going down in flames. Dropping bombs. I got it. I need some help with those bandits. Dropping bombs. Yeah, target down. Dropping bombs. Target out of action. Waiting for orders, sir.
Rocket launcher.
Target in my sights. Firing rockets. Target eliminated. I'm focusing on this one. Fighter destroyed. I'm focusing on this one. Mission critical target destroyed. Standing by for orders.
Big bomb. This is so many.
Dropping bombs. Target out of action. Bomb away. Truck destroyed. That's a confirmed kill on enemy fighter. Dropping bombs. Target up in flames.
I have 3 more. That's good.
Fighter down. Target acquired. Dropping bombs. I got it. Ready for your orders, squadron leader.
Here's the 8 bomb too, so I can spread this bridge.
I got him. Enemy fighters approaching. Watch your six. Dropping bombs. Good kill. Enemy fighter going down in flames. Dropping bombs. Target destroyed. Waiting for orders, sir.
Let's use this big boy now. For my defenseless, my friend. Okay, this is gonna be tight.
I'm on it.
This is Japan. Where is he? He goes.
Enemy locked on. Plane is going down. I'm hit. The plane is going down. Got him in sight. Plane is going down. Enemy down. The plane is going down. Enemy fighters approaching. Watch your six. The plane is going down. I have it. Enemy fighters approaching. Watch your six.
Come guys. Okay, we're talking. I guess. Okay, you know what? I always do
That's a
like
confirmed
that.
kill on
Oh,
enemy
yes, bro.
fire. I'm on it. Bandit down. Enemy fighter eliminated.
all these
Waiting for
enemies.
orders, sir.
Man.
Copy that, sir. We're on it. We're on it, sir. Got him in sight. I got him. I'm on it. Enemy locked on. I got him. Enemy locked on. Bandit down. The plane is going down. I'm closing in on the shot. Enemy down. Capture the lead.
Okay, just last more wave, guys. We can do this.
I've got visual on enemy fighters.
Okay, guys, just stand by the battle. Okay, almost there, guys. We gotta kill this guy.
I have it. Flight leader, I'm taking fire. Requesting assistance. Enemy fighter eliminated. I'm closing in for the shot. Bandit down. I have it. Enemy fighter eliminated. That's a confirmed kill on enemy fighter. Mission objective achieved. That was the last one. Good job.
Right. So let's change our aircraft this time into a torpedo because this is the next. Let's launch our aircraft and dum. Let's go. A torpedo for this battle.
We've got some juicy targets lined up for you today. Protect our destroyer. Destroy all enemy bombers. Engage all enemy fighters. Boys, time is our enemy as well. You have to be efficient. Did you hear that, boys? Enemy locked on.
Got that ransom again.
I have it. Bomber down.
Chase forward, everybody.
Ready for your order, squadron leader. You're on it. You're on it, sir. You're on it, sir. Acknowledged.
Chase it, boys. Chase it, boy. This is Crutcher. Where's he going? Mission time. Turn. Okay.
Shot. I got that bomber. We've got bombers coming in.
Where's it? Can't see him. Never mind, let's drop torpedo for a second. I really gotta do this.
Get off me!
Get out of here. Where's that bomber?
Enemy down! Got him in sight! Got him in sight! Enemy bomber down! Flight leader, I'm taking fire. Requesting assistance. They got me pretty bad. Going back to base. Enemy locked on. Good kill. Bomber out of action. Enemy locked on. Bomber no longer a threat. That's a confirmed kill on enemy fighter. He's firing at me. Controls barely responsive. Hope I make it back to base. Bomber destroyed.
I can't do this for well. And it's kind of hard though, so.
Boys, here are your new objectives for today. Protect our destroyer. You have to focus your fire on the bombers. Engage all enemy fighters. Teach the enemy a lesson they will never forget, boys. Copy that, sir.
So let's drop it.
Torpedo away! He's on to me! Waiting for orders, sir. This is command.
1, 2, it's 2, 2, 2.
Please, going down. This is command. Enemy is attacking the objective. Defend the target. Dropping bombs. Target up in flames. Bomb away. Standing by for orders. Target acquired. Correct hit. Destroyer suck.
Chase it. Chase it, the bomber. I can't reach it.